this is the range hood we got. And we was able to get this boy for the good old price of $38. Save 74%. So it was always good to try to catch some deals, man. So this boy will be in the description below, but it might not be $38 though. So we got the cabinet up there. What I'm about to do now is cut out this hole for the exhaust fan. I don't really have to even put it up there. Some people don't, they usually just throw them up there, but I guess I want to be extra and just run one just so that smoke actually can get out of this unit. So yeah, I'm about to go ahead and use my jig saw right here. All right, so I got this camera on this tripod, so it look like that my cabinet's pretty, but they ain't. Got that cut out. I kind of had to angle my blade on my jig saw because of course the wall was kind of stopping it. It was stopping me from making this cut back here, but it's a little rough, but I actually got it right on the end, and then right here my damn blade hit the wall or something and bent. So I was able to get it a little bit more. That's all that to do. Still thinking if I should do the circle hole too. But that's a 7-inch hole, that's pretty big. So I don't know. That'll do for now. I'm about to get ready to throw this range hood up. I'm gonna throw these little extra pieces on, like this dampener right here. I don't think this go in here, but this actually go onto the range hood, but I'm just putting it here to see. But there we go. I just cut a little extra over because I don't know where the range hood actually gonna line up. I do know, but as you can see, my couple marks I got right here and here, but just in case it, you know what I'm saying, be over to the left some or over to the right, make sure I made enough space to be able to slide it. Yeah, let me throw this up now. So I got him on I'm actually my gun range headphones. Like he can hear me talking, even though they still protect him from the loud noises. So the shot back is pretty loud, but he ain't here doing his work. Go ahead, dude, get the trace in them L's. Be quiet, doing something other than being on the tablet. But let's install this range hood. So something I just did real quick was install that wood shim right there, and I installed another one right there, just a little spacer, because I'm using these brackets right here, so it'd be easier for me to hang this range hood. And when I run it here, it's just a tad bit short. When it's supposed to be flush on the wall, I'm guessing it's supposed to be a shorter cabinet maybe, but when I run it here, it was going up inside, like you see that? So I just put that little scrap pieces right there just to have this somewhere I can screw to solid, just to hold it up there and make it easier. So, and I did the same thing for that one there. If this cabinet was just a 30-inch cabinet, then I would have been able to use this bracket right here. And what it do, it easily just goes like this here. So I don't even need no space because there's a lip already in this middle wood. So it would have used that. But since we're doing it over here, pretty much centering that range hood for this 36-inch cabinet, there's no space for it. So, and that flat bracket is really for a frameless cabinet. So if all underneath that cabinet was just, underneath this cabinet here was just flush, then that'll be working fine and I won't have to put that little spacer right there. But it's cool. I just need to screw these brackets. Bracket in the right spot. So I see these brackets is not for actually holding up this cabinet. I mean, holding up the range hood. Jeez, wear damn safety glasses. I broke the bit inside the cabinet. So I'm gonna have to take that joint down and install the clip. So I gotta take this down. Well, I gotta pull more cable out of there because this wire is too short, but I got enough inside the wall. It must be stuck in that box though. Those little clips do come in handy. So this is my wire connector that I'm gonna be putting on here so it can stay on the box. I actually got plastic ones too. So I got this one here, plastic one. I might use this one actually. And then you got this one right here, the typical one that got the little screw on the back end, and then on this end here, you can smash down on the cable with those. But I only like using these with the shielded cable because I don't want to pinch that wire, so I'm gonna use this plastic. On the back end, I pop this little hole out right here for the electric go through. Push this string in, whoop, like so, and then the wire is gonna push through there, and what it'll do, on this other end, it's kind of like pinched, so it'll stop the wire from going back in. So I'm gonna set this to the side, and then I kind of want to take this cabinet back down, but I don't. All right, I was able to get more cable out of there, so I just gotta drill this hole for the line, and let's do it.
Still connected to the top, and that's what life is about. It's not a greater gift in the world than a motherfucker that's making money off of something they love to do, man. It's not us, so I commend you for that shit, man. And I just want to tell you, brother, we love you, we respect you, bro. Thank you, bro. And keep going up, man. Thank you, brother. So let's not go there. I don't want to harm you. I don't want you another man that's getting money, feeding your family. I don't want to take I don't want you to attempt to take me from my family. But let's keep shit into perspective. At the end of the day, you know what I mean? Keep going up, keep doing you, man.
Baby, that's my type of way. That's my type of way. Making money while I'm asleep, nah, that's my type of pay. Hustle hard, but keep it the street or they gon' try to take. That's why the 40 on me, 380 my throwaway. Nah, I don't pop the pill, quit smoking the weed, just to keep my mind right and figure out our needs. I let that bread stack and take care of my seeds, cause the money in the fam is the only thing I need. Cribs across the city, can't decide where to live. Really can't do the neighbors, want neighbors, trees and fields.
I figure out what screw going here. That's good. Alright, this thing better came with light bulbs. Yeah, this boy said bulbs included. Where the hell the bulbs at? Got the cabinet doors on. This door right here, so we're gonna have to hit that one more time with some paint. Then it'll be the color of the rest of these. And then run the duct for the range hood right here. I'm gonna use that flexible one there. Gonna go up and go out of that port right there. See how these doors sticking to? Oh dang, and we gotta paint the backside of this. I'm not gonna lie, the polyurethane cabinets that we did, I like that a whole lot better because we didn't have to worry about these sticking like these. I'm painting with this, those pretty much dry hard and didn't have this issue up there in the other unit. But we're gonna run our ductwork up right there, straight up, turn it to a circle. We're gonna run it out, boop right there. And we're gonna make sure everything nice and tidy in there.